And it's really that simple. All you have to do is just go to this website, copy this entire section, then just use this site right here, paste it into this field, hit enter, and now all you need to do to be making these amounts of money is just go right here, paste it into this field, and now send it, and that's how you get paid. What's going on, guys? In today's video, I've got a super simple, easy affiliate marketing method that will be making you $10 every 10 minutes simply by just copying and pasting a simple post. And all you have to do to start making money this easily is just follow this video through, pay careful attention to exactly what I'm doing, copy and paste what I'm going to show you, hit enter to send, and you will start seeing results almost immediately. Now for this to work, you don't have to have your own website, you don't have to show your face anywhere on the internet, and the best part about this is it requires literally zero investment, so you can start it right away. And the most exciting part about this method is that besides getting paid real money, if you're going to follow this video through carefully, I'm going to also show you how to, besides making the money, you can also grow your social media profile. So if you're looking forward to seeing how all this is done, just make sure to hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and also to stay tuned for more money making content. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. Okay, so first of all, head over to Digistore24 affiliate marketplace. You don't have to use Digistore exclusively for this method to work, but I'm going to show you the exact affiliate offer that I used and I had best results with it. And I'm not sure I've seen this affiliate offer in any other marketplace, so for that reason I highly recommend you use Digistore for this. Now if you used Digistore before, obviously just log right into your account, but if you're new here, just click on this register button now, and what you want to do is just basically sign up as an affiliate. You may want to use affiliate and a vendor if you have a product to sell, but mostly we are going to be dealing with Digistore as an affiliate. So to select affiliate, choose your username, go ahead and fill in all this personal information. Make sure you use real information, don't make stuff up, because Digistore24 is going to be paying you out if you make some money on it, and if you want to receive the money without any problems, put in your real information. Then just go ahead and read and agree to this B2B contract and click on register for free now. Then just log into your account, and I'm going to show you the results that I was able to generate using this method. For example, today you can see I made almost $150 with this method, yesterday almost $100, and the first day I was doing this method I made over $110 simply by copying and pasting this exact thing that I'm about to show you. So what you want to do is simply go to marketplace and select all offers on affiliate marketplace, then just scroll all the way down and go to this social media section right here, and you want to search for a product, and it's called Insta Guides for Beginners. It should be on a first or a second page, and if you go to their sales page, you can see what this program does. It teaches people how to grow their Instagram accounts, and if you scroll all the way down here, you can see that this program costs only $25. One of the reasons why this sells very well is that it costs only $25, and most of the people that are looking to grow their Instagram account will happily pay $25 for a proven way to grow their account. Now to start promoting this, just simply click on promote now. You will get a promote now here button. I already have my link because I have been promoting this. Then just copy your affiliate link and paste it into a notepad or somewhere where you will be able to access it later. Next, just go to Google and you want to look for how to grow Instagram account organically. Just hit on search, and what you want to look for is a page that has a pretty nice guide on how to grow Instagram organically. Once you find a page that you're happy with, for example, I'm going to show you one example how it should look like. It's going to look something like this. You can see there's a bunch of steps that people should take to grow their Instagram account, and you want to use a site that has these steps numbered with an explanation under. For example, something like this: optimize your post. There's this little article about how to optimize your post, then there's keeping your followers engaged and a small article about that, and so on and so on and so on. What you want to do is just copy the link to this article. Then you want to go to this website right here, web to PDF. Just go to web to PDF and paste the link to the article right here and click on convert. Wait for it to load up, and basically what this is going to do is going to convert this entire article into a downloadable PDF. This is exactly what you want to do. Just wait for the conversion to complete, and then just click on this arrow here to download it to your computer. Next site we're going to be using is Seida.com. Just go to Seida.com and you want to upload the PDF right here. This is a free online PDF editor. Most of the PDF editors I had experienced previously with before were either paid or with limited options, but Seida has all the tools we are going to be needing. So just go to Seida and upload the PDF. Once you upload your document to Seida, what you want to do is scroll all the way down here when it says number 3 Instagram shout out, and what you want to do is go to page below that and delete all the pages below that. We are not going to be needing them, so this should be the last thing in this entire document. Then you just want to get rid of these couple of sentences right here, but leave the first 2 sentences as they are, because we are going to be rewriting them into something that sounds like. You can learn more about growing your Instagram profile on our official website. Click here to visit right now. Then what you want to do is just select this click here section and increase the size to make it larger, something like this, for example. Then the last part, what you want to do is go up here and click on links and select this entire section, something like this. So this entire section becomes a clickable button. Then just simply copy your affiliate link and paste it into this link to external URL site. And as you can see, if I hover over this part, it will show me that's embedded with link for Digistore24, my affiliate link. All you need to do now is just click on apply changes down here. Once it's processed, what you want to do is just simply go to this section right here, click on this pencil button and rename it into something like grow your Instagram profile organically. Then just hit enter and then just go to this share button right here and you want to select share link. Click on create a link and this will create a link for this document that's going to be hosted on Seda for 7 days. This is pretty much okay because after 7 days you want to actually recreate this entire process. It's going to take you like 5 to 10 minutes and you want to create a new PDF with new link because you don't want to be sending out the same PDF for a long period of time. Convert it to PDF, edit it on Seda just like this, then get its link like that and you can start sharing this. Now what you want to actually do first is just go to bit.ly.com or any other link shortener that you may want to use. I recommend using Bitly for a simple reason because if you're going to sign up for a free account using your Gmail, you can see you can use Bitly completely for free and you're going to get 50 links per month. And the best part about this is once I'm going to log in, you can see that all the links are going to be stored in this library right here. So you don't have to go searching for links anywhere or save them or paste them into any notepad anymore. All your shortened links are going to be safely stored on Bitly. So to simply shorten your link, just click on create new, paste the Seda link in its destination and name it something, for example like Seda Instagram PDF or something like that. It's just for your reference, you can use literally anything that you want in this step. Then just go down here and click on create and now we want to copy this shortened link. All you need to do now is just drive relevant traffic to this PDF document. You can see if they scroll all the way down, they're going to be reading all these steps. They're going to get to this last part right here and naturally they will want to know more. They're going to click visit right now and just like that be directed to the sales page through our affiliate link. Now the sales page is going to be doing all the selling for us, but because we have provided value first in form of this PDF document, because this is all actually relevant information that could help you grow your Instagram profile, but it's not finished. So people who want to actually learn more how to grow their Instagram profile because they received free value first, they're going to be that much more likely to purchase this product and that's how you can get paid money for this. Now to actually drive relevant traffic to this PDF document, all you need to do is just simply go to Instagram, go to this search bar right here and what you want to search for is growing Instagram posts. Search for this hashtag grow Instagram and as you can see it has over 90,000 posts within it. Now what you want to actually do, select a couple of that you like the most. You can do this for all these posts, but I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I use that worked for me very well. Find a post that has something like this in it. For example, fix your Instagram growth. And then what you want to do, you can see all these people that are commenting under this post. They're looking to grow their Instagram profile. And all you need to do basically is just open a couple of their profiles. And as you can see, you can message them directly. This is not going to be available for everyone. Some of them you need to follow first, but just simply click on follow. Wait until they accept your follow request and then you can start messaging them. Then go to messages and simply write this exact text that I'm going to show you. Let me just zoom it a little bit so you can copy this exact message and you can send this exact message with your affiliate link, with link to your free ebook. So just pause this video and copy this exact thing if you want to. If not, you can just type the message that you want to be sending out. But I basically wrote, hey, I see you're interested in growing your Insta profile. I have seen you looking for posts tagged with growing Instagram. Then I explained that I've basically been doing this exact thing myself and that I had great results with this free ebook that I was able to find. Then just simply share the link to your Seda document and that's pretty much all you need to do. Also, make sure you sign yourself to make it a bit more personal. That's pretty much all you need to do. Just go through this post and send this exact message that I have just shown you to as many people as you can or want. And in no time, you will start getting traffic to your free ebook that you have created on Seda. And because it's embedded with your affiliate link, people are going to be visiting the sales page. And because they are actually interested in growing their Instagram channel because of the hashtag, you will start getting commission of around $11 for every one of these sales that you're going to help make. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today. Just grab your affiliate link from Digistore, find a relevant article, convert it to PDF, edit it on Seda, embed your affiliate link, and start sending out these messages on Instagram. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button under this video if you haven't already. And if you for some reason don't want to try this method I have just shown you, try checking out this video right here where I show you an entirely different method how to make money on the internet. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.